Hi friends, how are you? We are back! Mario, Bowser, Luigi, and Princess Peach, and myself, Mrs. B. We are back to read you another book! Wow, I hope you like the other books, and I hope you really like today's book. It is called Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Look at Gerald. He's sitting on a lot of Kleenexes. Wow, he uses a lot. I wonder who else uses a lot. A lot of Kleenexes. Look, right here, he's sneezing all over this page. Well, I hope he gets better soon. Let's see. Pigs make me sneeze. All that sneezing gets him dizzy and tired. Here comes his friend Piggy. Gerald! What do you want to do today? So Piggy is asking Gerald, what do you want to do today? Let's see what Gerald says. I want, yes. A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? What do you think he wants? Let's see. Choo! Look, that is a very loud, see, very loud and strong sneeze. Look at Piggy. He went flying. Whoa. Snip. Are you okay? Piggy's asking if Gerald is okay. But we should ask Piggy if he's okay. Look, he got knocked down. He's seeing stars. Wow. Let's see what's going on. I don't know. Uh-oh. Choo! Look, he went flying again. Wow. Whoa there. What is going on? I cannot stop. Choo! Whoa, poor Piggy. Sneezing. Look at Piggy. Look at Gerald. Oh no! What do you think happened? What if? Oh, what if what? What if pigs make me sneeze? Choo! He went flying again. Whoa. What if you tried to sneeze more softly. Why, why do you think Piggy wants him to sneeze softly? Yeah, so he won't get hurt every time he sneezes, right? Sorry. Yeah, at least he's apologizing. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Oh no! Wow. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. Oh. Oh my goodness. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. I, uh, uh, what do you think is going to happen? Uh, uh, uh. True. So at least he sneezed softly this time, right? Goodbye. Gerald! Look, he sneezed softly, but he was ready for the big one because he went to go get his helmet. At least this time they were prepared. Huh? What's going on? Look, he's sad and he's crying. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. He's at the doctor's. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Here he goes. Achoo! Look, even Dr. Cat went flying. Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. He's super sad, huh? He just dropped to the floor. What is he going to do now? I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. Interesting. Let's see what Dr. Cat has to say about this. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I'm sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Well, he's happy he's sick. Do you get happy when you're sick? Piggy, great news. See, he's confused. Hey, he probably pushed him aside. I have a cold. Good for you. Oh boy, what happened here? Now Piggy is sick too. Look at all these Kleenexes. His friend Gerald has been sneezing on Piggy all this time. He didn't cover his sneeze. And look, now Piggy is all sick. That's why when we sneeze, achoo, let's cover our sneeze and our coughs. But at least they could be friends. They could be best friends all over again. That's super exciting, right? Well, friends, I hope you liked the book. And I hope you're not allergic to piggies or cats. And I hope you don't have a cold either. Keep warm. See you soon. Bye.